make friends?
Actually, I came because of new friends.
Okay.
I want to make new friends because we are heading to December.
Look, man, PRESEC for life. PRESEC for life.
I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight.
Just another guy. Fuck who you inside. Sacrifice it all. Just another guy. Just another money I want. Give me there. Everything done and I see the safer. Mommy, let's talk and I will see you later. Like a champion, they know to break them. Now I'm winning mom and they're final goal. 1,000 bullets to my body home from. Samurai swings with the situation. When the money long, you know fit to take them. When they're particular. Obsessed to my whole heart. Obsessed to my liberty. You guys welcome Zama Disco. Zama Disco. One more time, say Swagger! Swagger! See you guys at Zama Disco. Zem, 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 zem.
Let's do this. I will send by the day. I can't go I have to come out here and pull up on my niggas, man. In the lights. DJ drop that shit one more time. Go to the Betty. You move to the Betty.
Messi guy my coco and so me bro now also so. All I need be my mommy yeah say the session come. Me na yaka yeah be call so genius go talk. Never many so intention na me so. DJ
pay attention, my fans they enjoying you know. Relax now, fans they enjoying you know. Drop it one more time and load that shit.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fake.
I'm free again. Yo, DJ, hold on. Yo, who tell you go school 11%? Yo, who you made you? Maybe I school go here, I found 130. And I'm a palm on me indefinite suspension. I need lights on the crowd right now. Polar Man, shout out to Polar Man. That's what we're doing. Who the Polar Man better or no? Better is out of that part. That's what I'm not sure, yeah. There's not someone. Who's the animal talking about you? Let's go! Get here, who's on it? Shout out to 2005 by in the house. Shout out to 2015. If you were a student, shout out to all the amazing ladies who made it up here. Shout out to all the beautiful women who made it up in here. Too much love from the attack here. Shout out to Prince Johnson and
Welcome to Glow Up TV. Today we are here live at the PRESEC Legon 10th anniversary. And let me tell you, today's performance is Charlie. Don't go there. As you can see, so much pretty lady here beside me. She's going to tell us her experience so far at this year 10th anniversary. Sweetie, what's your name?
I'm Sika by the name.
Sika.
Yeah.
I don't know what's happening.
And your pants are
Afineba. It's me call my Miss Kana.
Memo.
Powerful. So far, no. Me who say na wo ti we nipa ewo show na say. How did you see the whole show itself?
It's really nice. This is my first time coming, although, but me and my Jimmy so because it's really entertaining. And the enthusiasm and everything is really fun.
Beautiful. Before Obahano, did you anticipate say program na be dey say because we na kwakwa SHS program bi. Uba no hu say na be fast ya.
I am call SHS programs be brave, but this actual one Nakasano,
Yeah.
really nice. Me come back. I wanted to just experience the thing actually.
Yeah.
To me buy no. I swear, PRESEC school is really nice. Everything about it is really fun, and I like it so much.
Yeah, so is this your first time, coming to PRESEC Legon, the
Yeah,
campus?
this is my first time. Yeah,
Well, where do you stay?
Medina.
Medina. And all this year, this is your first time coming to this school?
Yo, this is my first time.
Because of this, their 10th anniversary, that's why you came?
Yeah.
Oh, nice one. Thank you so much
You're
for your
welcome.
time. I appreciate
Alright.
it. But did you get any friends, here, we are here
Yeah.
to connect.
Yeah.
Did you make friends?
Actually, I came because of new friends.
Okay.
I want to make new friends because we are heading to December. I have to be going out with friends, and in fact, I met a lot of friends, like handsome boys. Oh my
I understand. So that's why you dress like this, because
Yeah,
your dressing is
god! A little
fantastic.
bit package,
Yeah.
So
You packaged yourself.
yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
So
Charlie, I like your honesty. Thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome.
Powerful.
Hello guys, my name is Prince Owusu, a player of SC Mediama and Black Stars. Please, I will urge each and everyone to subscribe to Blow Up TV. Ciao.